Digitization and technological innovation are creating newer challenges for IT decision makers. In fact, the role of CIO is shifting from delivery executive to business executive, from controlling cost and engineering process to driving revenue and exploiting data. CXO TV asked a select group of CXOs and decision makers for their take on the top IT priorities in 2018.
There are two key priorities which I feel they are doing. One is definitely on the compliance and the mandates that they have to be on top, and they want to make sure whatever technology advancements and changes they're doing towards their infrastructure and policy, that is under governance as well as enforcement towards the compliance.
Priorities would be securing their data, moving to cloud, and reducing cost. They would rather move from a capex to opex solution.
According to the Gartner survey CIO Agenda 2018, 93% of CIOs at top performing organizations and 78% across the entire global lead adaptable and open to change IT organizations thanks to the ongoing transformation to digital business.
One thing that everybody looks at, every CIO looks at actually bringing in efficiency, bringing in optimization, automation, and leveraging technology to do all of this. I think the role of a CIO is getting a lot more complex because there are so many choices that CIO has today. The technology disruptions are happening across the market. There are cloud market, which is basically, if you look at it, infrastructure is started, but there is a SaaS business. That's what we are in. Now, when you have so many choices, I think CIO life becomes much more complicated to pick the right technology and provides scale when they scale up the business. I might be starting probably looking at a technology for today, but tomorrow when I grow, do I need to change the technology?
From a CIO's perspective, again, SD-WAN continues to be a really hot technology. The SD-WAN market has been rapidly growing. According to different analyst reports, it's going to be $1 billion market very, very soon. There's also a huge focus on the consumption model or an as-a-service approach to things. Right? So if you look at applications have moved to the cloud. We actually published a report last year which shows that almost 50% of all enterprise wide area network traffic is cloud and SaaS.
It's all interconnected world. I think it's an API first platform. People looking at more of inward out to outward in. What are the things that are available in the market which I can plug and play, which will give me a better go-to-market position? That means time to market should be short, and at the same time it should be scalable, it should be highly secure.
Despite all the enthusiasm about digital and with enterprises looking for growth through the scaling of digital best practices, yet there are many challenges before the C-level community, leaving them without a blueprint to follow.
Awareness is there that they want large scale data science, machine learning concepts that they want to adopt, right? Awareness is certainly there. I think the challenge most of the organizations are facing how to build that roadmap because these technologies, while they are easy to implement, at the same time the road mapping has to be done very effectively as to what I want to achieve out of my digital transformation.